Hi students, let's see the difference between the constructor and the method. In the previous video, I explained about the constructors and the methods difference also. Now let's see the with the definitions. The constructor, and here I am writing a method. Okay, so let's see the difference between these constructor and the method. So constructor, what? What do you mean by constructor? So a constructor is a special method. We used to call it as a special method which has same name as a class name. So constructor name has the same name which is having the class name. So sample means the constructor name is also sample which has same name as class name. But one thing, what is that? And which has no return type. No return type. It doesn't have return type. Same name as a class name, but it doesn't have a return type. Then what about the method? A group of statements. A group of statements into a single logical unit. They are merged into a single logical unit is called as a method. So here the constructor name is the same name as a class name. It's a special method, but it doesn't have a return type. Method will have a return type. A group of statement into a single logical unit, that you call it as a method. Okay. So next, constructor. Constructors are used to initialized instance variables. If you want to initialize an instance variables, you required a constructor. If you want to initialize, just now in the previous video I had explained the example. If you want to initialize the instance variables, better use the constructor. Okay, so when you want to application requires more than one object, then we will go for the constructor, right? So if you want to initialize those instance variable, better to use the constructors. But whereas methods are used to perform tasks only. Methods are used to perform task. An operation it is going to be perform any task. So next, constructors are called automatically. You no need to call. Constructors are called automatically. Whenever object is created. Whenever object created, it is automatically called. Then what about the method? Method you need to call explicitly, right or wrong? You need to call explicitly. Method can be called explicitly after creating object. First you have to create an object, then only you can able to call the method after creating object. But whereas a constructor, it calls automatically. Whenever object created, automatically calls. But method can be called explicitly after creating the object. Constructor is called only one time for one object. Only one time for one object. So for one object, one time. If you create another object and call another time. Create another object and call another time. That's it. So constructor is called only one time for one object. But coming to method can be called any number of times. Any number of times. So this is the main difference between the constructor and method, students. Thank you.